Hello everyone, you all guys are listening me on Unacademy online platform, and this topic is connecting with the evergreen discussions, and the evergreen discussion is a cold drink. And see, the topic of discussion is not actually cold drink, the topic of discussion is actually cold drink pesticides. Ingredient of cold drink I'll discuss in some other videos, but here I would like to discuss with you about the cold drink pesticides. And this topic is connecting with the science and technology with evergreen topics. This topic is always in the news every time. Somehow you will get the newspaper articles regarding the cold drink and their own pesticides or insecticides. So this lesson is connected with the science and ecology, and there's a lesson number 47. I hope you guys have listened me properly, and you have to finish, even you have finished your all earlier 46 recordings. So connect with me regarding the science and tech environment updates time to time on Academy YouTube platforms. Before we to start this lesson, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Dr. Ravi Agrahari. I have done my Ph.D. from IIT Delhi. I'm working as the director of Purvanchal IS Gorakhpur. I'm taking your classes for the science and tech environment. And from last 18 years, I'm in the UPSC Civil Services teaching. 1,000 plus selection already happened. Two books of mine published on the McGraw-Hill platforms. The one is on science and tech, and second is on environment. This is my Telegram profile channel where you people can connect with me reading all the PDF and the video links. So reading all the PDF and video links, people can connect with me on. Okay, for video links, people can connect with me on Telegram channels. My Unacademy profile is unacademy.com/Ravi P Agrahari 2010. Here people can find out my plus classes and a part of my free special classes. I'll suggest to all of you kindly follow me here on Unacademy. So it will be good for all of you regarding all the special classes. My code is Ravi UPSC. During joining any course, if you are using the Ravi UPSC code, you will get extra 10% fees discount in this course, guys. We are providing the India's best educator for UPSC CSE, and they are taking your live session here in this case. And they all other educators, they are well trained in the civil services from the last many years. Now UPSC price is going to hike, and here's up to 20% of discount you can get it, guys. This offer is valid till 19th May. So don't miss it, guys. But yes, I'll suggest to all of you guys, if Ravi UPSC code you will use, so this 20% discount in your fees in every duration of time you can get it. So don't miss this opportunity. Neither the price is going to hike 20%. What about the CSE SEO? If you people are going to take a courses for 2 years or more than that period of time, so your extra year extension will provide you in the case of it if you are not going to qualify UPSC. Any kind of hurdle you have. So further after 2 years, we are providing the courses and new updates. And another one, guys, the price is going to hike 20%. So beware of it. This is only for limited period of time, this offer. And the code is Ravi UPSC. Whenever you are going to join it, so at 20% discount, you will get it. Unacademy Ultra Combat options. It's a best for the live test all of you. 56 questions in 60 minutes you have to give, and the test is on 22nd May 2022 at 11 am. For this enrollment, you guys use the Ravi UPSC code. A lot of gifts, vouchers, top 3 ranks, you will get the rewards. Now finally we have to enter into the topics. Those are my topic of discussion with all of you, and this topic is always important for your examinations. Actually, those soft drinks or cold drinks people are taking, guys, they have a pesticides. It's true. And why they were using the pesticide, even those Bisleri water we are taking, they also have a pesticides. The reason is how to save this product for the coming 6 months. Why the duration of expiry will be more, guys? The reason is pesticide. So pesticide, even it is must in these cases. Again, I repeat, Bisleri also have some amount of pesticides. This is the reason the Bisleri bottle is safe for the 6 months, but your normal bottle water is not safe for the 15 days even. Actually, the large multinational corporations, companies, they follow the dual standards. For developing country like India type of countries, guys, their parameters are different. But developed country, US, European countries, their chemical ingredients or constituents are different. Those are not good. Even CSE is the Center for Science and Environment. Okay, even CSE, the Center for Science and Environment, has discovered in 2003 this whole entire about the pesticides and all informations discovered. And later on, the Indian Medical Association IMA also proven the same, guys, recently, that literally whatever the CSE has given the statement Center for Science and Environment, the Indian Medical Association verify and certify and find out literally CSE is right. What about the CSE Center for Science and Environment? Actually, Center for Science and Environment is a non-governmental organization based on New Delhi. Again, I repeat, it's an NGO, non-governmental organizations. The purpose of Center for Science and Environment is pollution monitoring. For pollution monitoring, every moment of time they monitor the environmental pollutions. They have their own laboratories, that is pollution monitoring laboratories, PML. And the purpose of the Center for Science and Environment, the scientific studies to generate the public awareness about food, water and air contaminations. And it's very, very important, guys. Those food we are taking, those water we are drinking, and in the surrounding those air we are inhaling. In this all compositions, Center for Science and Environment do this checking and all, and provide the information, overall information or awareness. They do monitoring and analysis of air, water and food contamination with the help of various equipments. They are doing HPLC, gas chromatography, UV-VIS spectrometer, mercury analyzer, respirable dust sampler. These are various instruments and devices. To the help of it, Center for Science and Environment is doing monitoring every moment of time, air, water and food contaminants. Actually, in 2003, CSE find out the high level, very, very high level of toxic pesticides and insecticides in the cold drinks. They are responsible to cause the cancer, destroy the nervous system, reproductive system, birth defect, and various other effect on your immunity losses, guys. Disruption of immune systems. And that is being identified, guys. In 2003 CSE reports. Even Coca-Cola and Pepsi, those are the main brands. These both to have at least similar type of pesticides. Not like that somewhere has a more, somewhere have a less. They both are following nearby same pesticides. Okay, and another one, guys, when you people do the comparison with a US brand, those are going to sold out in these comparisons. When the CSE asked the questions, government asked the question, they were silent. It means there is something wrong those companies are doing here in this case. So finally, the companies are following the dual standard. As in the beginning, I told you guys, developing country, some other norms, some other composition, developed country, some other. Those are not fair. On the basis of all these reports, government has set up a joint parliamentary committee. The joint parliamentary committee tried to find out whatever the CSE has given, all the statements, and check it, scrutinize it, verified it, and they literally find out. Those safety measurements in the soft drinks as a consumption of food, overall the pesticides should be there. Okay, there is something here. It means suspect came there, guys. But I'll tell you guys, this all the soft drinks and all, they're the very, very rich man, and somehow they're mafias also. Okay, these are industries and all. Okay, now it is depend on you people, guys, how much honesty you have. Even in August 2006, further the report published, CSE undertook a nationwide study of nearly a dozen of soft drink brands and found pesticide residue in all samples. These are the samples and reports those CSE then carried out. CSE have collected 57 samples of 11 soft drink brands. And these all the samples are connecting from different 25 separate manufacturing units of Pepsi and Cola across the 12 states. So uniformly these samples are connecting from the entire India. It's not like that only some of the areas are using this type of pesticide, from the pan India, guys. And they even find out, guys, 3 to 5 different pesticides. They have done the study of 3 to 5 different pesticides. Those were available in all samples on an average. So these 3 to 5 different pesticides were available in all samples on an average in these all 57 samples. 3-5 pesticides were common. What about the BIS has given a norm to use the pesticides that are 24 times than the BIS norms. BIS Bureau of Indian Standard, those provide the parameters for the consumptions of food items, their own preservatives and all. Okay, and here what about the government recommended, this government platform, the Bureau of Indian Standard recommended, guys, here the value is 24 times more. So of course it is shocking for all of us. And we are preferring this type of cold drinks to the children, guys. You are doing a crime with the innocent kids. And your parents are responsible, guys, if kids are consuming these type of things. A list of pesticide that was firstly identified in CSE 2006 studies. The lindane, heptachlor, chlorpyrifos and neurotoxins. Lindane, it is a 140 times. Lindane, it is a 140 times higher than the BIS standard. Lindane 140 times higher than BIS standard. Okay, BIS, whatever the parameter had decided, it's a 140 times more than the normal level. Heptachlor is a 4 times higher than BIS standard. And heptachlor is totally, actually banned in India. Totally banned in India. Chlorpyrifos and neurotoxins. Okay, neurotoxins. They are 200 times more than the BIS standard. In certain samples, those were identified. And overall, guys, I'll tell you guys, the average amount of pesticide reduced in Pepsi and Coca-Cola was 30 times. Okay, 30 times. And according to BIS standard, it's 27 times higher than the BIS standard. In both of two, guys. Both of two. It's a survey. And according to Indian Medical Associations, there's a survey. According to Indian Medical Association report, the different pesticide percentage present in different soft drinks. Fanta 29.1%, Fruity 24.5%, Mirinda 20.7%, Maaza 19.3%, 7-Up 7.5%, Pepsi 10.9%, Coca-Cola 9.4%, Thumbs Up 7.2%, Sprite 5.3%. Definitely many people will think right now, so sir, Sprite is better because 5.3%. No guys, not better. The reason 2.1% is recommended. Beyond 2.1% directly affect your liver. You can see this here. Okay, that is the reason beyond 2.1% pesticide, wherever it is available, I brought the list. Pesticide range higher than the 2.1% is very harmful to the liver and cause the cancer also, guys. See, these pesticides affect endocrine system, nervous system, reproductive system, respiratory system, energy system, circulatory system, even water and balance also inside your body, guys. Losses of water, abnormal behavior of various organ system inside your body. In that way, guys. Now we'll come into the discussion of these pesticides and their own effects. Lindane is a carcinogen responsible to cause a cancer. It damages the kidney, even immune and neural systems. It affects the reproductive performance in the males and even also, reduces the sexual ability in the females, guys. Chlorpyrifos, you can see it's affect the brain cell. Okay, it's created a lot of problems in the behavioral abnormalities, muscle weakness, immunological problems. In the case of COVID, people try to increase the immunity, and here you are losing your immunity. Heptachlor is totally banned in India, but still 4 times than the normal level. Even 4 times is a heptachlor is there. They call a lot of the convulsions, you people guys, respiratory system abnormalities, liver damage. And one thing in the last I'll tell you guys, according to 2003 reports, in 2003 the report was soft drinks have a 34 times more pesticide in the recommended level of BIS standard. But nowadays it's 42 to 52 times. Wow. Very, very shocking, guys. What about the norms? What about the reports? What about the government will be do? It's up to government, guys. And the direction was given by the Joint Parliament Committee. Okay, like whenever they were trying to ask with the companies, okay, regarding the pesticide, the companies have not given any reports. And companies' opposition always be, and they're very rich and rich people. Internally, what about the setting? I don't know, guys. But yes, if a government is honest, so they should think over the life of innocent Indians and kids. Even those they are consuming the chemicals, even the cold drinks. I'll advise to all of you, please don't give them, because they're very innocent and they don't know what they are doing. So your parents are responsible. At last, I'll suggest to all of you, this is a Telegram channel where people can go and take a PDF. Apart of this, all the video links I also share here. My Unacademy profile, unacademy.com/Ravi P Agrahari. Here you can find out my plus classes. Apart of free special classes. So that is the reason I suggest to all of you, can you follow me on Unacademy for your all entire courses. Those are freely available. This is the code Ravi UPSC. During joining any course, if you use it, you will get extra 10% discount. Iconic subscription is the best subscription for all of you. Here you will get a live mentorship. A tutor will connect with you. In the live sessions regarding your doubts, a question answer practices, study plannings, how to do, what to do. And here you will get the opportunity to connect with the educators also. A 0% EMI facility Unacademy is providing you. Before going to hike the prices, guys, if you people have any financial crunch, the best you will go and take these courses. If you have a problem after discount of 20%, okay, so you can find out the loan with 0% EMI. If you have a doubts regarding your subjects, so they are the subject experts, you people can connect with them. So now introducing the dedicated doubt solving sessions on Unacademy. Our UPSC CSE batches are going to start from 18th May 2022 with 20% discount, and now the price is going to hike, as I spoken to you many times. In this course you will get the 20 GS booklet also, and the new batch is going to start 18th May and 25th May. Why Unacademy is the best one? Because you will learn the best educators of India, a lot of flexibility with the optional subjects, flexible hours of learning, daily answer writing practices, best in the class learner ratings, printed comprehensive notes, complete preparations with the interview guidance, live mentorships, everything you can get in the one platforms. And at last, I'll update you guys, like my science and tech environment classes are running now in all the languages on Unacademy. Regarding this plus courses, you people can follow me, and my code is Ravi UPSC. So thank you everyone, kindly subscribe this channel, like and share this video. Don't forget to like and share this video to all the serious aspirants. And for the entire PDF, you can download this PDF from my Telegram channel. Thank you everyone. God bless you. Jai Hind.